Hey guys, what's up? Shubham Gupta from Mobile Express, and today I will show you how you can install your Google Cam on Redmi Note 8 Pro. As guys, this phone is supported by Mediatek G90T, which is a powerful chipset. And let's start. First of all, you have to go to Google Chrome, and I will give you a link in the description. You have to open this link. You have to download Gcam camera file from here, and as well as this configuration, which is this. You have to download. And you have to install. After downloading, you have to install the APK which you have downloaded above, and you have to click on the camera app and click on allow. It is not working, and you have to go to more, then settings, then go here and save config. Enter configuration name. You can enter anything randomly. For example, I put Mobile Express here. You can enter anything which you want, and settings has been saved. And you have to go to file manager now, and you have to open the downloaded file which you have downloaded. For example, this was a downloaded file, and you have to move it to the internal storage Gcam and config, and you have to paste here. I have already pasted, so I will not paste it again. Okay, now come back. You have to open Google Camera app again. Just double tap the black portion here. It will ask for the configuration file, and you have to choose this file which you have just downloaded, and you have to click restore, and see your Google Cam will restart. And you can use your all the three lenses, for example like this. Your micro lens is working right now. As of now, video mode is not working, but you can use it after one or two update, and Gcam is working perfectly fine, but clarity is not up to the mark in Gcam. It has shown the picture like this, which is not great. And let me show you the default camera app and night mode picture. See the difference between the clarity. It has overexposed the color. This is a normal picture, this is a Gcam picture, but clarity is superb. If we ignore the color, then the clarity is very good as compared to normal camera. So guys, that's it for this quick video. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share, subscribe and subscribe to our channel. I will do the unboxing of Redmi Note 8 Pro very soon on my channel. So guys, stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.